Here are our friends Mia, Leo, and Ben. They are at the park on a beautiful, sunny day. Ben has his favorite toy, a brown teddy bear. But oh no, look at Ben. He is sad and crying. Ben lost his favorite teddy bear in the park. Can his friends Mia and Leo help him find it? The park is big and green, with tall trees and a playground that has a slide, swings, and a seesaw. Ben's teddy bear is named Barnaby. He is soft and brown, wearing a little blue ribbon around his neck. Leo runs in a happy circle. This day is perfect for a game, he says with a big smile. Let's play hide and seek. Mia claps her hands. Yes, that is a great idea. Ben agrees. Okay, but Barnaby will watch us play. Great, says Leo. I will be the seeker. 1, 2, 3, he begins to count. Mia runs and hides behind the oak tree. Ben finds a spot behind some big green bushes. He carefully places Barnaby on the red bench. You sit here and watch, Barnaby, he says, and then hides. Ready or not, here I come, Leo shouts. He looks around the big oak tree. Aha, I see you, Mia. Now they look for Ben together. They walk to the bushes. Boo, they shout. Ben jumps and then laughs. That was so much fun, says Ben. He runs to the red bench to get his teddy bear. Barnaby is not there. Ben's happy face is gone. His voice is small and worried. Barnaby? Where is Barnaby? His eyes become wet with tears. He sits down on the grass and begins to cry. I lost Barnaby, he sobs. Mia and Leo see Ben crying and run to him. What's wrong, Ben? Asks Mia in a soft voice. I can't find Barnaby, Ben cries. Mia puts her arm around him. Don't worry, Ben. We will help you, she says kindly. Yes, we are a team. We are the Barnaby Finders. Mia asks, Ben, where did you see Barnaby last? Ben points. I put him right on the red bench. The three friends go back to the red bench. I will look under the bench, says Leo. I will look behind the bench, says Mia. They look carefully but see no teddy bear. Leo is on the ground. Under some leaves, he sees a little bit of brown fur. Wait, I see something. I see him. I see his little blue ribbon, shouts Leo. He pushes the leaves away and picks up the teddy bear. Barnaby, Ben shouts with joy. He runs to Leo and hugs his teddy bear so tight. He gives Mia a big hug. Thank you, Mia. Then he gives Leo a big hug. You are the best friends. Mia and Leo smile, happy that their friend is happy. The three friends sit together on the red bench in the sun.